Hey guys, this is Tahmid and welcome to my channel Presentation School. Today I show you PowerPoint presentation about SWOT analysis of Netflix. And after watching this presentation, you can download the whole scripts and template which you can use in your next presentation. So let's get started. With 137.1 million subscribers from around the world, Netflix has grown tremendously over the years. It is one of the leading internet entertainment services in the world with paid memberships in over 190 countries. 70% of the subscribers binge watch the TV series on Netflix. Not just a TV series, it offers movies, documentaries, and feature films with various genres and languages. In 2007, Netflix introduced streaming media online while retaining its DVD rental service. They started expanding online streaming internationally in 2010. With such a global reach, Netflix's profit tripled this year. How is it so successful? Did it face any ups and downs? To answer these fundamental questions, let's look at detailed SWOT analysis of Netflix. Netflix strengths, internal strategic factors, exponential growth. In the past 10 years, Netflix has become an influential brand for online streaming content not only in the US but across the world. Global customer base. Netflix is serving over 190 countries across the world, having a global customer base. There are over 137 million subscribers of Netflix, and it gives the company a strong bargaining power with its studios for securing exclusive content. Originality. Another one of its strengths is that Netflix has been producing original content over the years with the highest quality. Some of its original shows like Stranger Things, Narcos, Mindhunter, and Orange is the New Black become so popular that its subscriber count kept increasing over the quarters. Adaptability. Netflix adapted to various technologies instantly by providing streaming on all internet-connected devices like personal computers, iPads, mobile devices, and televisions. Due to this, their business grew immensely over the years. Competitive pricing. The pricing strategy of Netflix has given its leverage over its competitors. The plans that Netflix has designed are affordable and offer great value. Subscribers can watch unlimited movies either on DVD or streaming for an affordable price of $8.99 a month. It is less expensive than cable movies or going to the cinema and also offers a wider selection. For a higher price, subscribers can even get premium plans. Let's find out Netflix weaknesses. Growing operational costs. The original content produced by Netflix gives it a competitive advantage, but the cost of supporting this content keeps growing. The projected spending June 18 and original programming by The Economist for this year was 12 to 13 billion US dollar. The amount has exceeded from the last year's spending. Limited copyrights. Netflix does not own most of its original programming, and this affects the company negatively. The rights taken from other studios expire after a few years, and that content starts appearing on other sites. Increasing debt. Netflix is serving its diversified content in many countries around the world, which requires huge amounts of money. Netflix keeps adding to its long-term debt to fund new content, and as of September 30, 2018, it reported 34 billion US dollar in long-term debt. The increase in debt every year is a sign of a significant weakness. Lack of green energy. Netflix has still not utilized renewable energy and has not created a business model to promote environmental sustainability. Contrary to this, tech companies like Amazon, Google, Apple, and Facebook have already started using renewable energy to help sustain the environment. The four tech giants have committed to using 100% renewable energy for their businesses. The lack of green energy utilization has a negative impact on the brand image of Netflix. Now let's find out what are the opportunities of Netflix. Expand customer base. With such a huge current subscriber base, Netflix can tap into many other countries and expand its services and subscribers. They can start to target the countries where it is currently not available. Recently, Netflix expanded its operations and added a few more countries on its operation list. However, it is still unavailable in China, North Korea, and Syria. Refresh content library. It can expand its content licensing by increasing the contracts with various movie distributors. Additionally, Netflix should refresh its content library as it now producing its original content. And alliances. It can also partner up with various telecom providers and offer bundle packages in different countries. Alliances and partnerships can prove to be beneficial for Netflix. In the past, Netflix partnered with Channel 4. It can form more solid partnerships with local broadcasters. Niche marketing is another big opportunity for Netflix. Producing region-specific content in their local languages is also another big opportunity for Netflix. Niche marketing has been proven beneficial for Netflix. For example, it started an original TV series Sacred Games in India and Spanish series Money Heist, which are massive hits. Now let's find out what are the threats of Netflix. Competitive pressure. Netflix is the not only one which provides digital streaming around the world. Its competitor base keeps increasing every year. HBO, Amazon, Hulu, AT&T and YouTube are competing continuously with Netflix by giving repeated access to new and original content to its subscribers. Government regulations. Strict government rules and regulations regarding service providers like Netflix in many countries can be a big threat for them. For example, Netflix's expansion to China will be unlikely because of its restriction on foreign content. Piracy. Digital piracy is still at its peak as thousands of people around the world find ways of downloading media content because of high monthly costs which they cannot afford. It is another big threat that Netflix faces. In a nutshell, we can summarize the SWOT analysis of Netflix, and here we can get the whole picture of it, and on the basis of that we can give some recommendations. Tap into new geographical locations by partnering up with their local cable providers and streaming their local content as well as international content in various languages. In this way, they will gain more profits and subscribers. Netflix should try connecting with IMDb, Rotten Tomatoes and other internet services to provide a variety of ratings and other information for their users. To avoid digital piracy, Netflix should strengthen their security and expose whoever is behind digital. They can also provide even more generous subscribing packages for different economic classes. And lastly, improve their application and website by providing a more user-friendly interface for their subscribers. So this is all for this video, and in our next video I will present you another topic, and here I am providing you PowerPoint slides and presentation scripts for free of any cost. So I am asking for your kind support, and I have provided the download link in the description of this presentation. If you have enjoyed this presentation, make sure you give a like for this video, and for new videos make sure you subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget to click on the bell button so that you get a notification when I upload a new video. So thank you for tuning in, and I wish you all the very best in your journey to becoming a presentation expert. Have a nice day.